Yes, hello guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's me again, yours truly, Coach Gabs, and I'm here on the third video, training videos na ginawa ko para sa team icons of EM Goldex ng team ni Sir Wilfredo Solteral. And I just want, before we start, I just want to correct myself to the second video I created. Doon sa level 1, I said 10 slots, but it should be 8 slots only. Yung level 1, kailangan pupunuin natin the idea of super fast corpo technique. Doon sa level 1, lahat yun, puro corpo account ang ipapasok natin na bababa level 2, level 3, and level 4, right? So in these training videos, we'll talk about the marketing on Facebook already. So right now, there will be two ways to do the Facebook marketing. The first one will be manual marketing. Manual marketing means using our time. Alright, at least we should do this at least 1 to 2 hours per day. Like I said before in the second video, na this is a team effort, it's a group effort na kailangan let us do our own part as well. And okay, close lang natin to. Okay, and the next would be the second ways is the autopilot marketing. That would be using money. Now in doing in an experience doing business, MLM business as well, networking and internet marketing, there are only two ways or two sacrifices that you need to make in order for you to become successful and any kinds of opportunities or any kind of struggles. First, using time, and the second one would be money. And most of the time they're both. Alright? You have to sacrifice a lot of time and also money as well. If you don't have any money, you can use time. Like sa ano nga ni Sir Will sa kanyang wall nga, time is gold. Alright, doon sa website niya. Now, let's go to manual marketing, which will use our time, our own time. First is we need to have a Facebook account. Alright, we need a Facebook account, groups, or a member of Facebook groups. Okay, you need to have a Facebook groups, or you should be a member of Facebook groups. Kung wala pa kayong Facebook groups o masyado pang konting sa inyo, you can go to my wall, to my Facebook account. See the groups there. I have 1,000 groups. So ganun kalaki yung minamarket ko doing Facebook. Alright, you can start add those Facebook groups as well to your account and you can start from there. Okay, next would be before we start using the manual marketing or Facebook marketing, guys, you're doing internet marketing, and there should be a state of mind, or there should be a mental attitude doing this. Alright, I want you to understand that money is only idea. Alright, from the time na nag-work kayo, before kayo mag-work, na naghanap kayo ng trabaho nyo, di ba nung nag-apply kayo, hindi pa mga agad kayo nagkaroon ng pera, di ba? And okay, and nagkaroon lang kayo ng pera nung sumahod na kayo. Pero during the entire process ng trainings and pagpasok nyo sa isang company or sa gobyerno, wala pa naman pera during the time, di ba? Kasi namasahe pa kayo, gumastos pa kayo ng NBI, and naging totoo lang yung pera nung payday na, nung nakapag-render na kayo ng service, ng oras nyo, ng pagod nyo, ng effort nyo. Same goes with as well with the internet marketing, or same goes as well for the traditional business. Okay, I've been there. Money is only idea. And sa internet, you can see the money with your eyes. you have to see it with your mind. All right. I want you to exercise thinking. All right. I want you to exercise thinking. Jog your memory. All right. Start to think. All right. Maging creative kayo. Think outside, not on the box. Think as you're in the top of the world. Okay? And later on, makikita nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Now, let's do basic online marketing. Okay? Let's jump into it, and huwag natin itong patagalin pa. And I know some of you is doing already this. What I'm giving you right now is only idea for basic online marketing. This is what I do when I started internet marketing. I do this, and I wanted to share with you na magdagan yung knowledge nyo, or what is the skills how to do it. Okay. First one would be what I call find the target. Okay, there you go. Find the target and drop the link technique. Okay, ibig sabihin ng find the target, pipili kayo ng mga taong interesado ng kumita online. Alright, and like I said earlier, you need the Facebook groups on this part. Alright, you need the Facebook groups. And let's go to the groups that I'm a member with. Okay? And pili tayo doon para makita nyo, kumbaga ito yung mga taong 50-50. 50 na gustong kumita ng pera online or not. Okay? And again, our objective here, or our strategy here, is to drive all visitors to the website. On this training video, we will use yung website ni Sir Will, solteral.com. On my part naman, what I do, if you will go to my website, www.thebillionairesmind.info/blog, you will see nandun yung link ng website ni Sir Will sa website ko. So later part, papakita ko sa inyo na kung paano gawin ng autopilot kahit wala kayong website. Alright? Okay. Let's go to a group here, groups. Okay? Pili kayo ng mga groups na something to do with money, something to do with job opportunities, something to do with opportunities, MLM business as well, internet marketing, buying and selling online. Okay, that's good as well. But for this training session, we'll use this one, call center jobs and BPOs jobs in the Philippines, or for Philippines. Click mo yan. Okay, so first we have to find the target. Find the target, and what you need to do is to find a post na nagre-response yung mga tao, may mga comments. Okay, on this one this one, we want you were hiring. Okay, so nag-hire si Tomilaro. Okay, let's see kung may mga comments siya. Oh, good. Meron yung 37 comments. This is very good. Ito, open nyo yan. What you need to do is basahin yung mga comments. So this is some kind of a target market already. Mga gustong magkaroon ng trabaho. All you need to do is to change the thinking of these people. Alright, sabi niya dito, saan kaya maganda? Okay, sabi dito, Arlene Yulve, sabi niya, do you have interview over the phone? I'm just here in Negros Occidental. So this guy, dito na si Lance. Si Lance is interested, sabi niya. So what I'm gonna do is I will not go to the Facebook. Gusto kasi nandito lang, hindi ako alis sa group, sa Facebook group. Okay, hindi ako ayokong pumunta sa ibang browser. So what I'm gonna do, uh, yung cursor nyo, lagay nyo rito sa pangalan, and always find there's a message. Okay, so click nyo lang yung message. Kung walang message, nakalagay doon minsan follow or add a friend. For me, I don't go there. I will not go there sa Facebook wall nila, so medyo matrabaho. So what I do is diretso na dito. So pag may nakita kong message na pwede, yan. So drop the link. Just drop the link of Sir Will, yung solteral.com. For this one, hindi nyo kailangan maging mabulaklak ang pananalita. Very simple. Sabihin nyo, "Hi Lance, I saw that you're looking for a call center job." Okay. Baka interesado po kayong maging investor. Baka interesado po kayong not invest but opportunity na lang. Something to do with change the pattern of thinking of these people. When you say change of pattern of thinking, yung thinking nila na trabaho, bahay, uwi, inom after ng trabaho, pag weekend, that is the same pattern ng buhay nila. So we will just snap out of it very quick. "Hi Lance, I saw that you're looking for a call center job. Bakit interesado po kayong kumita online ng extra income. Check po ninyo itong website kung interesado po kayo." Okay? Interesado po kayo. Yun lang. www.solteral.com. That's it. Enter. May mahirap ba sa ginawa natin? Wala. And again guys, meron 37 comments na nakita kayo, and all you need to do is to send this kind of pattern. Alright? So nag-send siya. Tingnan natin. Alright? So guys, that is see, may EM Gold is lumabas. Anyway, yun, that is the first technique. Okay? Imagine, umabot ba tayo ng 5 minutes? Hindi naman, di ba? Hindi naman. Imagine kung meron kayong 1 to 2 hours per day na gagawin nyo to. Sabihin natin, medyo tamad lang, kasi kwenta lang kayo ng katao na i-drive lang natin to the website of solteral.com. Again, ang goals natin is to drive traffic, to drive eyeballs to the website of solteral.com. Okay? And makasikwenta lang tayo. Do our part. Alright? Do our part. And let the website do its job, explaining what's going on, or anong meron dun sa website, or paano kikita si EM Goldex, those kind of stuff. That is not your job anymore. Your job is to drive the traffic from the website. You're a website trafficker. Okay, that's your primary job. Alright? And gawin nyo lang to every 1 to 2 hours per day. Hindi nyo kailangan maging hindi nyo kailangan maging very pahirapan sa sarili nyo. Ganun lang kadali. Okay? That's what I do before. Okay? Next would be how to easily post your offer business in Facebook groups. Okay, so post yun yung inyong offer sa mga Facebook groups. Now what you need to do, punta kayo sa wall nyo. Okay, punta kayo sa wall nyo for this one. You can do it two ways. First, you can copy and paste ng mga message. Punta kayo sa mga kung paano nagpo-post yung mga top leaders or top earners, or gusto nyo puntahan nyo yung wall ni Sir Will or kung sino man. Pag may nakita kayong maganda ang post niya, i-copy paste nyo lang. Alright, i-copy paste nyo lang. This one, atmnegosyototal.com. Okay, copy paste nyo lang. Or kung hindi man, kunin nyo yung website, put it there. Kaya sabihin nyo, hello, gusto nyo bang kumita ng extra income or magnegosyo or magnegosyo sa halagang 1,000K at kikita ka ng 180,000, sabihin natin in the next 2 to 3 months. 1 to 3 months. 3 months. Kung oo ang sagot nyo, i-click nyo ang website na ito kung paano. Alright? Put it there, lagay nyo yung website. Okay? Now, pag pinost nyo yan, post nyo, di ba? Yan. Now, pag pinost nyo yan, pwede dito ito, post natin, post natin yan, kunyari ganyan. Okay, pag post nyo ng ganyan, di naka-post na, di ba? Kita nyo post, you will see there is a share. Do you see this? My share. So i-click nyo yung share, click the share button and lagay nyo permission to post admin. Salamat po. Okay. There. And what you're gonna do is, kita nyo to, own timeline, all you do is drop, click dyan, tapos may papasok dito in a group. Now, kung marami kayong group na katulad dun sa akin, you're big time. Alright? However, you will do this manually. Again, manually kasi isa-isahin nyo. So, kung may mga group kayo, type nyo lang dito, yan, may lalabas dyan na name. Alright? May lalabas dyan na group. Kung alin part kayo ng group, lahat nyo pwede nyo i-postan yun. Tapos share nyo lang. Share link. Alright? Ganun lang. Share nyo lang. Okay? So, you get the point. So, kung marami kayong group, meron 100 groups, 100 times marami makakita ng group ng post nyo or ng offer nyo. Alright? And next would be Ito naman is gagawin natin would be email posting. Email posting, kung kanina magpo-post kayo sa Facebook groups ng manually pa isa-isa, this one bulk message in Facebook groups. Alright? So email posting, madali lang yan. Open lang kayo ng ano nyo. Ang gagawin nyo lang is punta kayo sa mga groups. Alright? Go to any groups, and what you need to do is this. You will get the Facebook group ID. Okay? Baba ko lang. Tayo dito. Punta kayo sa groups. Lalabas lahat ng groups nyo. Kung wala pa kayong groups, you add groups. Kung gusto nyo, punta kayo sa wall ko, add nyo yun, or hindi, dito. Kita nyo mga new groups na yan, friends groups, so just click nyo yan. May mga lalabas dyan, you can add. Make sure na pag pumasok kayo ng isang grupo, at least malaki ang members. At least 10,000 pataas or 20,000 pataas. Okay? For this one, pasukin natin ang groups nung ito, Facebook online ads. Bukan natin ulit yung something sa call center kanina. Okay, what you need to do is go, pili kayo ng groups. Ito. Yan. Nakikita nyo to. Yan. Itong Call Center Planet. You copy that. That is the ID. Okay. Yung pagitan ng last closing slash tsaka ito. Yung sa dulo. Yan lagi ang Facebook ID nila. Facebook group ID. So, copy nyo yun. Tapos punta kayo sa notepad. Ilagay kayo at facebook.com. Paste nyo. Call Center Planet. Alright. Pili tayo pa. Ano pa ba maganda? Ito. Hatchis Buy and Sell. Kita nyo yan. Okay. Copy nyo. Okay, copy nyo lang, kaya mahiya. Sometimes, it's a numbers. Or most of the time, it's a numbers. Lalo na yung mga old, Yung iba dyan, numbers yan. Ano ba? Makita nyo may numbers eh. Sometimes may numbers yan. Tayo makita may numbers. Ito, yan. Ito. This one. Yan. That's the one. That's numbers. Okay? Copy nyo yan. Okay? Alright? Okay, and copy nyo to. Ngayon, you go to your Yahoo account and your Gmail account. Compose kayo doon. FYI, sa Yahoo tsaka sa Gmail, you can bulk message up to 50 to 100 recipients, or yung mga tao na pwede yung sendan. Okay, 50 to 100 recipients only. And ganun lang, no? Ganun lang, compose. And again, kung hindi pa kayo ganun ka uh, wala pa kayo masyadong idea kung ano ang ilalagay nyo, nagko-compose yung mail, I suggest you copy-paste. Copy-paste. Kung magaling kayo mangopya, copy-paste. Punta kayo sa mga walls ng mga top leaders ng team nyo, copy-paste nyo yung kanilang mga posting doon, and yun ang ilalagay nyo sa Facebook, or I'm sorry, sa Yahoo nyo, no? So just wait lang tayo. Sorry kung medyo mabagal ang aking online, medyo naglolo ko siya. Anyway, gawin nyo ito na ang focus nyo, your focus is to serve more people. Do not focus on the money, right? Do not focus on the money. Shift your gear, shift your mind to help other people first. Money will follow if you do that. I'm telling you right now, you have to shift your focus to help other people first. Okay? Kapag ginawa niyo yun, money will follow. Magugulat na lang kayo na, wow. Right? Okay? And the virus down. Huwag mo na later na. Ayaw niya mag-compose. I don't know why. O sa draft tayo. Tingnan sa draft. Medyo mabagal lang siya, but I hope you get the idea. What I'm giving you right now is only an idea. Okay? It's only an idea. Okay? And pag may mga na discover kayo mga bagong technique, please do share it to your team, especially sa team nyo, Team Icons. And in the next couple of training videos, include ko rin yung mga other training, other face marketing strategy na hindi nyo kailangan magbayad, na libre. But again, you have to use your time, because time is gold. Sabi nga si EM Goldex, time is gold. Okay? Medyo mabagal yung aking email. Wow, ang bagal niya. Okay, sorry about that, guys. But I hope you get the point. You get the idea how to do it. Okay. Just to recap, first manual marketing would be find the target and drop the link technique. Punta kayo sa mga Facebook groups, yung mga post nila, especially kung may mga job opportunities, how to make money. Tapos may engagements, may mga comments sila. You strike from there. That's your target, because ang mga taong yun is interested already. Then drop the link. You don't have to fancy yung mga words sabihin nyo. Just drop the link. It's just you have to understand that it is them that needs you. Kumbaga, hindi ikaw ang may kailangan sa kanila, sila ang may kailangan sa iyo. Alright? Sila ang may kailangan sa iyo. And I want you to understand that you have the power. You have the power, you have the ability to change other people's lives just by providing the link. Link only, yun lang. Yun lang. Just providing the link, just one click of a button, everything will change. Alright? That is only your only job. Alright? And let the website do its job explaining how the business works. Okay? Alright? And I hope na may mga natutunan kayo for this day sa ano natin. Hindi ko na masyadong hinabaan yung mga technique kasi baka tumagal yung itong training videos, but I promise on the next couple of video trainings isasabihin ko yung ituturo ko yung mga autopilot din na Facebook marketing, alright, na pwede nyong magamit. Okay? And I hope may mga natutunan kayo or may napulot kayong idea how to do this. Okay? And alright, see you at the next training modules, which is the main part of this strategy. Okay, the Facebook ads. Okay, see you there, guys, and you can visit my website if you have questions, concerns. www at thebillionairesmind.info/blog. Okay, and nice meeting you guys. All right, and there you go. Baby, come back. Everything without you. Baby, come back.